In the meantime, more PNP members of parliament are making their position known on their choice for president of the People's National Party. The latest show of public support comes from Member of Parliament for South East St. Catherine, Colin Fagan. Mr. says the leadership and the future of the PNP has been in question for some time. He says new voters are not buying into the vision of the party, so change is needed.
Because in trying to explain that we have to stand by our leader, you get pushback to say, well, you know, if we go with that leader, then we are not going to vote. And as such, I have decided to stand with Bunting in this election for leadership of the party.
Mr. Fagan joins MPs Dayton Campbell, Michael Stewart, Ian Hales among a handful of other party individuals who have pledged their support for Mr. Bunting. In the meantime, at a party meeting in Westmoreland recently, MP for Central Westmoreland Dwayne Vaz announced his support for the current leader. Classifying the challenge as a distraction, he believes at the end of the process there will be one obvious winner.
And when all is said and done, I'm going to hear a man from the mic and say, and still, the leader of the People's National Party and future Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade Dr. David Phillips.
In a press release this afternoon, Dr. Peter Phillips stated that he will officially launch his campaign on June 27 under the theme, One PNP, Powerful Together.